intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to 42nd part of the Arduino tutorials. In the previous videos, we have already seen how the keypad module works and also interfaced 7 segment and LCD to print the user input from the keypad. Before starting today's tutorial, please check out these previous videos and get the basic knowledge. All the links will be provided in the description box. Considering all these basics, in today's video, we'll be doing a project which is the password protected door lock. Straight away, we'll have a look on all the components we need for this project. Arduino board, keypad module, 16x2 LCD module along with I2C interface for easy connections, a servo motor. I'm using SG90 micro servo motor, but you can go with any one. 2 LED bulbs of different colors just for indication of the lock status, and some jumper wires. Coming to the connections, I'm connecting the keypad row and column pins in the continuous order to Arduino digital pin starting from pin 2 up to digital pin 9. In the LCD module, the VCC and ground goes to Arduino 5V and ground. SDA pin should be connected to analog pin A4 and SCL to Arduino analog pin A5. In the servo motor, the signal pin should be connected to Arduino digital pin 10. Ground goes to Arduino ground. In the 5V of the servo, if we connect to Arduino 5V, the power will be not sufficient. So it's better to use the external 5V supply. Maybe you can go with a 5V battery. Coming to the LEDs, one will be connected to digital pin 12 and the second one to digital pin 13. That's all the connections. If you face any difficulties, you can refer to the circuit diagram link provided in the description box. Moving on to the code, I'll just give you the brief overview of the logic flow. So at the top we have all the library inclusions for servo, keypad and LCD module. Next, we are defining the servo and LCD objects. After that, we have a lot of variable declarations and array declarations. So mainly you have to concentrate on the password. As of now, the default password I have kept it as 12AB, which is of 4 characters. So based on your requirement, you can change the password and the password size here. Next, we have all the declarations for the keypad module, so which you will get it clear if you watch our previous tutorials. Here I have declared 2 LEDs, one connected to digital pin 12 and other for 13. This is just to indicate the lock status. And finally, this is a variable to show or to indicate the lock status. By default, I have set it to 1, which means door is already locked. In the setup function, I have set the initial state for the LEDs and the initial position for the servo motor. And also I have displayed some text on the LCD screen. So coming to the main logic in the loop section, here we have 2 statements. So initially we have seen the lock status is 1, which means door is already locked. Now it's time to unlock. So it will call the unlock function. So in this function, we have asked to enter the pin. Once we get the key from the keypad, we are storing into this array one by one. Now after receiving all the characters, we are just comparing the entered pin with the original password declared. So if both are matching, then we have to unlock the door. So we'll get the status on the LCD. Along with that, we are setting the lock status to 0, which indicates door unlocked. So if both the passwords are not matching, then it will come to this block. It will show wrong pin on the LCD and the status remain locked itself. So in this case, it will again call the unlock function until the password is correct. So assume we have entered the correct password. So the lock status will be 0. In this case, it will ask the user to lock the door. So in our case, I have given the star button for locking. So if you just click star button, it will call the lock function. So this is a small function which just changes the state of the LEDs and take the servo to locking position. So this is how the logic flow is. So this code and the corresponding circuit diagram link will be provided in the description box. Now we'll upload this code and see how it works. So as soon as I power on, it shows the status as door locked. So by default, it will be in the lock state. Also, we can see the red LED on. Therefore, it is asking for a pin to unlock. Initially, I'll try with wrong pins. So it's saying wrong pin on the LCD. So this time I'll try with the correct pin, which is 12AB. Yeah, as we can see, it shows door unlocked. LED turned green and also servo motor went into unlock position. Now it asks user to enter star to lock the door again. So just pressing star, everything goes to lock position and we can also see the red LED. So everything is working as expected. Just for clear demonstration, I'll place all the setup onto the door. So here I have attached the servo motor directly to the door lock. This is one way of making the lock system. There is also a second method by using relay module and a solenoid lock, which will be more simpler than this servo system. If you also want to see that video in our channel, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to cover it. So that's all about the password based lock system project. All the sources required for this project are provided in the description box. For more such project tutorials, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in another interesting video.